Welcome to Yummy Moments. Today we're making one of the most loved dishes from Uzbekistan, flaky, juicy Samsa. Ingredients 010 to 030. Here's what you need. 500 grams of lamb or beef minced or finely chopped. 2 medium onions, finely chopped. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Puff pastry or homemade dough. 1 egg yolk for brushing. Sesame seeds for topping optional. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the filling 0:30 to 1 o'clock. Mix the chopped meat and onions in a bowl. Add salt, pepper, and cumin. Mix well until combined. Let it rest while you prepare the dough. 2. Roll the dough 1 o'clock to 1:30. Roll out the dough into medium circles. You can use store-bought puff pastry or make your own. Cut into equal squares or rounds. 3. Fill and shape 1:30 to 2 o'clock. Place a spoonful of the meat filling in the center of each dough piece. Fold the dough over to create triangle or square shapes. Pinch the edges tightly to seal. 4. Brush and bake 2 o'clock to 2:30. Place the salsa on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush the tops with egg yolk and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 100 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown.